fuck out my channel. Spring SPRINGCOUTE. I got my main channel, my second channel, Rainbow Squad. Tell everybody about me. And if I want to get in this, you want to get this footage on for my channel. This is about my cousin, my older girl, was my god sister, her husband, Tide. His family from up north. Some of them is Ratchet and bullshit. Or the Ray with his punk faggot ass. This little ass boy keep blowing on my phone. This cockeyed puss for his mama. Tony, and Ray. Just get Tennessees. And Dimitri with her retarded special ed. And the ugly ass motherfucker burn cookie. All of them. It just conscious rage, ghetto. It was so much. I'm just coming back from my trip, but I came back in Monday night. I'm Panama Beach, Florida for my birthday bash. My birthday trip, more like it, my birthday bash. I'll kick back. And other birthdays and stuff like that. I vlogged it, so go watch it if y'all haven't watched it. And make sure, I forgot to say that on my last video I just made, turn on your post notification. Turn on your post notification when I upload another video. And make sure y'all tell every motherfucking body about me. Smash that thumbs button, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. This shit picked up that fish with a dirty ass and coughed on that bitch. They got corona, bitch. They whole room had corona, coughing and sneezing, and just to disrespect coughing in my face in the store. You actually get beat the fuck up. And then they want to be with that pussy and shit. The military, these snakes want to be telling the bitch. So Spring said, I'm retarded and I'm listening, especially you 19. Everybody in the United States, when they graduate at 17, 9, 19. You in 504, especially you breed ass clay. And you retarded as fuck. And you gonna go and tell what I see it on our voicemail when I call our cell number and Google the video on my iPhone. What they do, y'all put the scary bitches and my cousin, my girl cousin, and all them and everybody on the trip calling. My people phone last night or this morning telling on me like my mom gonna do shit about it. I'm a fucking grown ass fucking woman. 33 years old, they ain't gonna do a damn thing about it. Get they fucked. And so that shit just wanna give up because they go 20 and after it. Cause I ain't never scared. I ain't got time for the driving the BS and the bullshit. After she cooked the fish, my cousin. And she won't dip her hand in the shit and then say it. Never wash the hand and hide about it. Never know which way torn they looking. Cause she damn sure ain't the case. That's what I burnt her head looking on her chase. And that's all I have to say. Bye bye.